This USB hub is a total beast, with 10 big ports for a techie feast. Each one's got a button, clickety-clack. Turn gadgets off without yanking them back. Need no power? It still goes strong. This hub's the star of the USB throng. I parked it near my monitor's glow, 'cause my PC's in a cupboard. Don't let it know. USB ports? You always need more. Like socks or snacks, you will hoard and hoard. Card readers, hard drives, sticks and my watch. This hub's on fire, and it's top notch. The power cord's long, it stretches with grace, to keep my hub right in its happy place. So plug it all in, let chaos begin. With this USB hub, you're destined to win.